Hi everyone, today we'll discuss in English with my daughter.
Hello.
So tell me beta, where we went?
We went to the market
So what is the purpose?
to buy things.
What thing you buy there?
Things?
What is this?
This is paper soap.
Paper soap. What you will do with this paper soap?
Wash your hands. And this is cherry scented.
Then how much that cost, that paper soap?
40.
45 rupees.
45.
Then what next you purchase?
And this is origami paper for school or for origami.
Okay. What you will do with this oregano paper?
Fold it and make a craft.
Acha, for making like this you can make craft by using this paper, origami color paper. Next what you purchase?
There is Nylon pencil.
Okay, this pencil she purchased. This complete one pencil box.
And with this eraser also comes.
Keep beta in this pencil box, na.
Yeah. And there's also a gold version.
And what I purchased this file and this Fevikwik. 2 Fevikwik I purchased.
And with this pencil, this also comes.
That eraser, that is wheel shape eraser. Acha, Anvi. Acha, tell me beta, what you add there? What you add? Food.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Which flavor?
Rasmalai.
That was the rasmalai flavor. Not rasmalai. Rasmalai flavor he told. Okay, rasmalai. Papa, what Papa ate?
Kulfi.
Papa ate kulfi flavor ice cream. And so it was too busy, na? Too much rush. That's why Papa is telling do not go to market. But you always used to tell I want to go.
There was no rush.
How many? I think so many, na? In this paper soap.
So
how you will clean your hand? Just show me.
For example, hold this.
Okay.
So you take one.
Very small. Let me see.
No, and you put water on it.
Very small.
No.
Size you check. Very small.
And you put water on it, and then it bubbles and turns into soap, and then it disappears.
Okay. Then keep.
Then
close the cap. I hope you enjoyed this session with my daughter.
This is my
See you
favorite item.
in next video. Bye.
Favorite item. Bye.